For the shootout, normally it looks like this. That's going to stay the same. The new part is you're going to take the hand that's in the air now and put it on the floor behind you and try to press into both hands to make your arms straight. And then bring it back around, step in, and then do the same thing to the other side. Shoot out, hand plant, bring it back. Shoot out, hand plant, bring it back. Make sense? 30 seconds of that. Then the dog walkout. You're going to start with a short down dog, not a very strict one. Just your hips are in the air, you're pressing into hands and feet, and then you walk out. Walk out as far as you can. Way out, past a plank. Hips tucked in, shoulders protracted, and then start to walk back all the way up to your down dog. Down, way out, way out, way out. But not so much that you dip. Keep your hips up, keep pressing your shoulder blades apart. Come in. That is the second exercise. Third exercise, I'm going to come down to a prone position. Arrange your your essentials, so that way nothing's getting squashed. Tops of the feet on the floor to start. Hands behind head. Raise your elbows up and out. Raise your feet. Keep the crown of your head pointing forward. Just going to do a little flutter kick for 30 seconds. Just maintain the upper body position, that hyperextension. And don't let your nose drift up. Keep your chin packed, the crown of your head reaching forward. And then do your flutter kick from there.